Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this beautiful green colored Christmas themed sign from Dollar Tree and also some of this reindeer which is transparent and some white Christmas trees. Now I'm painting the transparent reindeer. I wanted to make him all white and I'm going to leave his horns like a shiny one. So I wanted to give like a snow effect to his horns, and also I'm going to take this beautiful white snow-clad Christmas tree and taking a dab of a hot glue, I'm going to attach both of them just like so. Now I have this beautiful white, green and red Christmas themed flat ribbon. So I'm going to take a piece of a ribbon and then fold it, and basically I'm getting like two big folds of ribbon. Now I'm attaching both the ends of the ribbon piece just like that with a dab of a hot glue, and repeating the same for the other piece of my ribbon. Now I'm taking a dot of a hot glue and I'm going to attach one over the other in the form of X or like a cross, and then I'm going to fold it like that, bring it all together and then fluff it up. And I'm taking another piece of a ribbon and I'm going to basically cover that the folded part with that piece just like so. Now I want to attach the tail to this bow, so I'm just taking another piece and bending it like that, and then with the dab of a hot glue I'm going to attach in the back just like that. And I'm also going to do cutting the edges like a ducktail thing so it looks nice. Now my ribbon is ready to be attached. Meanwhile, I'm just taking away the tag of my reindeer and I'm placing him in an angle where I exactly want him to be. Now my reindeer is stuck and the ribbon is all decorated on the top, and also my Christmas trees are stuck. Now it needs some more of the snowflakes, so I'm just getting some of this window. I'm taking a bit of a matte Mod Podge and just spreading it and then attaching the window cling snowflake on top of it just like so. Now I don't like the holes on those white Christmas trees, so I just took two of the foam balls from the Christmas pigs and I'm attaching it on top of those. Now this is like a winter theme I'm going with, so I'm planning to attach this eucalyptus white pick that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just took few of those pieces and I'm trying to attach it all around the bow just like so. I think my sign is all ready now. So what do you think? You have to let me know in the comment section. This is the final reveal of my beautiful reindeer winter Christmas decor. I'm just loving this, the green and white. Just love the combination. Like you saw the process, that was one of the sign from Dollar Tree which had like a Christmas tree carved in it, and all I did was decorated with some of this white Christmas tree of winter and some snowflakes which I got from window clings, and this is one of the beautiful reindeer which was transparent. I painted white and I created a bow and some decorative pics of Christmas. Just loving this, so let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with What Would You Make, and this is hosted by Zana or OK at Home DIY, and guest hosts are Jamie from Simple Roots and Simple Living and Laparsha from Creating It Myself. So I'm going to leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. So let's get to DIY number 2. So since the theme is green, and I got this beautiful wooden lantern from Dollar Tree, and it has some reindeers as well. So I wanted to pair this project also along with the sign. So I have this again like white, green and red thin ribbon. So I'm going to take 2 pieces of the ribbon. I'm loving this green lantern. The lights are changing in all colors. It's like so beautiful. I'm sure it's going to look nice in my front porch. Now I'm attaching it on top of the lantern, just like so. Now time to attach some Christmas greenery and some winter themed decor pieces on top of it. I took 2 small pieces of Christmas greenery, and I have this white eucalyptus with the winter themed one, and I attached few pieces around, and I took some of this berry garland which is like white and green. I wanted to use those 2 colors, so I'm attaching in the middle so the bow looks fuller. Now my lantern is almost ready. So what do you think? Next one is this lantern. It's also in green color, and I just loved it when I saw. I thought I should include him in the same project, and it's got like reindeer flying with a sweater, and all it needs was some of the bow and some snow white Christmas decor. So I just attached some of the greenery which had snow, beautiful Christmas pics, and this is glowing. If you can see, it changes color. I'm planning to put this lantern in my front porch, and I'll show you once it's decorated around Christmas time. Beautiful reindeer green Christmas themed projects that I wanted to share with you all today. Hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.